Alright guys, I'm out here with the Snaptain SP300. I'm trying a little outdoor flight with it because I want to get it sent out. So I want to fly it outside here one time before I send it out. Woo! Let's see how it hangs. Of course, we're going to put it in the third rate. Oh yeah, flies good. Very nimble. Matter of fact, let me turn it down to the second rate. It's got some good pitch on it. Uh-oh, there's a bird. Trying to keep it out of the grass, boys. See that big hawk? He was coming for the SP300. Now, what is this thing? Oh, that's that spinorama thing that it does. Hold on, let me bring that back here so you can see that a little bit better. Just starts going crazy. Hold on, get back here. I'm trying to get the flips to work. No. Once the breeze kicks up, it gets a little unruly, so okay, that was the kill switch. Just holding in on the button, it just kills the motor. I could have swore this thing had flips on it. I could have swore I did them in the damn house. There they are. Okay, it's just tapping this button here. I forgot. Instead of holding, when you hold the button in, it kills the motor. Yeah, the wind is kicking up just a little hair, causing this to act up a little. Look at this big sucker here, man. Look at that damn condor. Look at that. Holy cow, is that thing huge as it's flying away, the quadcopter here. See, he's wanting to get this thing. I'm telling you. He's wanting it. Watch if he don't swoon down here and snatch it. Okay, so you see that it handles the outside actually pretty decently. I still only have it in the second rate, I think. Yeah, I do. And so the flips are still working, so that means the battery's still going. You look at it. Oh yeah, that battery's holding up real good. Alright boys, there you go. Oh, the lights are flashing, so the battery's getting ready to go anyway, so good, because I'm getting cold. I gotta warm up a little bit. Okay, so it won't flip no more, so that means the battery's toasted. Okay, there you go. SP300 Snaptain does it again. It was good inside, and it's good outside actually, for being as cold as it is and being windy, and yeah, it flew great. Got that third rate in there, which helps it a lot, so there you go. Alright guys, oh, burr. Have a nice day.